As you guys can tell by the title down below, I'm going to be trying out the Limecrime Venus XL palette that you guys saw me unbox in my Limecrime mystery unboxing. Mystery box unboxing. That's what I was trying to say. And why am I moving my hand so much? What are we doing? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. So as you guys can tell by the title down below, we are going to be using the Venus XL palette from the Limecrime mystery box unboxing that I did. If you haven't checked it out, it's because you haven't subscribed yet. Like, I'm just trying to figure out why you haven't seen my content. I'm just trying to figure it out. If this is your first time, welcome, but go ahead and check out some other stuff. Subscribe. Alright, so this is the Venus XL palette that I will be using today. Limecrime is certified vegan and cruelty free. So for those of you who are wondering, the brand is certified vegan and cruelty free. I actually said that right this time. Usually I always say vegan free and cruelty. I don't know why, don't ask. I just get it mixed up. And this is gonna be my first impression using this Venus XL palette. But I already did a first impression using the Venus 3 palette, which I also have. But my base of that look was just trash. So I'm gonna have to re-record that and you guys will see that. The look I did, it was so cute. It was so cute. But the base of this, I was trying a new base. I was trying a new foundation and I shouldn't have done it with that. I should not have done it with that look. I'm so mad that I had to re-record it. It was so legit. So I have experienced Limecrime's formulas before, but I have not used this palette solely. So this is definitely a first impression of this palette for sure. So it's 18 shades in this palette. I don't know if I'm gonna be using all the shades. Like sometimes I can get all the shades in one palette on my eye, but not with 18 shades. We are not doing that. Unless I was doing 9 on each eye, we not doing that today. We are not doing that today. We gonna create something cute, something that you guys can replicate with palettes with similar shades like these, and we just gonna get it popping. If I use my hands one more doggone time. That was all with one dip. What? Okay, Botticelli, I see you. I see you. I'm liking this eye look so far. These shades are doing it. I'm gonna see what the shade Love does on my finger without a primer. Let's see what it does with a brush. Oh, that's what you want to do. Okay, never mind. Maybe I don't need to wet it. We're just gonna put that down. I was hoping Aphrodite would brighten it up, but it didn't. But that's cute. I like it. All right, so I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, come back with the base. Off camera, I spilled foundation on my shirt, so we're just gonna ignore that, and then we're gonna let my hair hide that. Okay, we're just gonna. No, you're making it worse. We're gonna act like nothing happened. Okay, we're gonna act like nothing happened. So if you see it, you didn't see it. Okay, if you see it, you did not see it. But yeah, that wraps it up for this video. As far as my thoughts on the Venus XL palette, because clearly that is why we're here. What am I doing? Like, I'm just about to end the video without talking about the palette. I used 7 shades out of the palette, and all 7 shades I absolutely loved. They each show up on my skin tone. They blend very, very well together, like absolutely very well together, and I love the fact that they blend well together. And they do appear on my eyes darker than what some of them look like in the pan, so they surprised me. I was like, whoa, I wasn't expecting you to be that dark. So the pigmentation definitely is there, and it will surprise you for sure if you pick up this palette. Like I said, I got this in my Limecrime mystery box, so The palette originally is $58. You may be able to find it on sale somewhere. I think it's been out for at least a year, year and a half. Might even be 2 years by now. So this palette is not new, but it was my first time trying out this Venus XL palette, and I am hooked. And the palette did its job. So thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Me and my hands are just doing the most lately, but that doesn't matter because you guys still enjoy this video. And if you have not subscribed, seriously, please join the fam.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
Thank you guys so much for watching. Seriously, I hope you guys are staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace.